Hope you've been following along on this weekend's video. We are tearing it down for final fab work, and then we're going to spray some SEYMOUR paint on it. We appreciate you watching. Drop a comment on where you're watching from and what you're working on this winter. Probably have countless hours of time lapse of us welding and fabricating, but I only put a little bit in here because once you see one arc flash, you've seen them all. Shout out to Rob. He's a good buddy of mine, and he did a lot of the table bandsaw work for me. I'd mark it, tell him where to drill holes, and he would drill it, cut it, and then hand it back to me, and I'd weld it on the car. We had a pretty good system going, and here I'm welding on a bunch of tabs I got from A&A Manufacturing. If you need tabs, check them out. They have countless tabs. Use your imagination. You can really make something out of anything in their book. Here I'm grinding away on the rear 3/8/6 FAB plate I got from them. It was kind of scrap, and I found a perfect place to put it, so we welded that on the car. Here Rob is cutting out the first template for the dash so we can lay everything out and make sure we liked it. We actually changed up a little bit, so sucks for him. He had to cut this twice, but it's better getting everything laid out on cardboard aided design than it is to ruin a piece of aluminum. Here we are scrubbing the chassis down with some kind of acid etching stuff, and Dean Benner told me about it, so did Book use it. So stuff really gets rid of mill scale. So we're getting that off right now, and then we're gonna get to painting this thing. I wish we could have picked a better night to paint this thing. It was actually pretty warm out. I think it was like 40 degrees, 50 degrees out that night, but it was very foggy and moisture. But it's a rock crawler. You bounce it off of rocks and roll it. So I think it turned out awesome, and the paint did lay down nice and flat. But it's took hours to paint it, and again, here's Rob helping me out. This really helped with him, 2 people attacking this. I really appreciate all the help from him. Here I'm painting the axle, getting it all painted up, cleaned up, and I'll put in the comments what exactly paint I used. Go check out SEYMOUR. They have some really good paint. It's a great alternative to the paint that everybody recommends. Cam came over. He's a young kid on my fire department to come over. He wanted to learn and help me out, so I appreciate that. And here we are, giving you a sneak peek on next video. This is final assembly, so we're getting it together and we've made huge progress. If you want to know up-to-date stuff, check out our Instagram, because that's where all of our posts happen real time. YouTube is a couple weeks behind, but we appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you on the next one.